Bankin is on your side.
Better Call Bankin is getting results for a Sarasota woman who has been waiting on a $60,000 IRS refund check for a year.
She got stuck in red tape and broken promises until she called 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Shannon Bankin. Shannon joins us now live in studio.
Jen, Josh, this woman tells me she never intended to give Uncle Sam a loan, and she's thrilled to finally have her money.
It was more than a year ago that Tricia Bowles received this letter from the IRS, acknowledging that she had paid too much in taxes when she sold her pet supply business in 2021. As a result, she was owed a refund in the amount of $48,941, and she was told she'd receive a check in 6 to 8 weeks. When the check never showed up this spring, the IRS said they would pay interest, and the new amount she would receive was $60,321.63. But when that check didn't arrive either, she called Better Call Bankin.
I called monthly. I called their tax advocacy center, which is supposed to be a division of the IRS that's supposed to help, and even they kind of dropped the ball.
And we're helping.
They initially helped, but then they just stopped responding as well until you got involved.
When Tricia called me for help, she says she was told by the IRS that they had never had a check go missing and weren't sure when she would receive her money. Enough was enough. I sent Tricia's information to my contacts at the IRS and was told this would be escalated. Tricia tells me weeks later, a check for the full amount arrived in her mailbox.
I'm very glad that I called. I think I would still be receiving unanswered, being ignored, and not getting responses. So, thank you.
Tricia tells me the money came at a good time to help pay bills, and she's hopeful that she will never have to go through this type of issue with the IRS again.
I love it when it gets escalated. That's
too.
my favorite thing. Did the IRS ever say like what went wrong here?
They did not. There was never a clear answer, but Tricia tells me that she was told several times that a check was sent. It just never arrived. They never were able to locate that check, but after I got involved and got the right people in the IRS looking into this, things changed quickly, and so Tricia says she's just happy it's over.
Yeah.
She has the money.
Who cares at this point? She has the money. So
right.
Job well done. Thank you,
you,
Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, Better Call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.